So this is called an Amish bun, and I don't know if Amish people actually wear this. On the one hand, it does lie very flat to the head, so it's great for putting a head covering or a bonnet over. On the other hand, it's very elaborate, and I don't know if they're really spending this much time doing up their hair in this fancy kind of way. So you basically divide the head of hair in half, and then again divide it so you make that English braid on the top, and then you use that braid as one of the sections and two sections of unbraided hair to make another braid. And that's gonna, I did it looser here than I should have, and the whole bun turned out looser than I would have liked, but I was doing that to make sure that I could find the kind of pockets, the kind of loop that's left by there I'm checking for it with my fingers, by the braid that was already there. And then you do that another time. So now you have the double braid, and you use that as one section, two more sections of unbraided hair, braid that all together. Again, a little bit of a pocket is left from the braid, and we're going to be using those later. So braid that all the way down, and then with that you can tie it off with the elastic. Yeah, there I'm checking for the pockets again. And then you're just going to repeat the whole thing on the other half of your hair. And then I did this totally wrong. I went for the upper pocket. I was supposed to do the lowest pocket, to weave in the tail from the other side. So that is, that's off. I skipped a pocket by mistake. But on this side, I think I got it right. I got the lower one. Weave that braid across, and then go into the upper pocket, across, and across. Pull, wrap around, and pin. And like I said, this turned out a lot looser than it should have, so it's not my best work, but it's a very elaborate looking style. And it creates a neat silhouette. I like it from the side a lot.